What's the meaning of blade? Blade. Blade.
Blade. Blade. The word blade has multiple meanings, depending on the context. One of its most common meanings is a thin, flat piece of metal or other material that is sharp and used for cutting or slicing. Blades can be found in a wide variety of tools and weapons, such as knives, swords, and saws. Additionally, blade can refer to the flat, extended section of an oar or paddle used to propel a boat through the water. Another usage of blade is in reference to the sharp edge of a wind turbine, which rotates to generate electricity. Overall, blade typically refers to a sharp, flat object for cutting or movement.